Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a 2025 Georgetown GT7 36D7. The 36D7 is the #1 selling floor plan for Georgetown in the GT7 series. Now the GT7 is their luxury version of the Georgetown. So if you're looking for the ultimate, this is what you're going to buy. What you're going to get: full body paint, massive power awning, large 22.5-inch tires, heavy frame. We bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. But let's take a look inside, because for 2025, Georgetown has all new updated colors. So built on a Ford A-Class gas chassis, we have our media center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As we spin around, now Georgetown's always been known for nice, big, large dinettes. We have solid surface countertop for the table here with, if you look right here and here, cup holders. Something that a number of manufacturers don't always do. In the 36D7, you also get this mega recliner. 4 people can sit real comfortably, power recliners, just an absolute beauty. And I believe we also have massage and heat on those. So yes, this is roughing it. Now, a couple of enhancements they've made. Stainless steel sink, but you can see the inserts that can be moved around for prepping vegetables, salads, cleaning. And then I like the glass washing station right here. Great idea. Makes cleaning glasses super, super easy. Solid wood cabinet doors. Nice big cabinets. Firefly multiplex on board. We'll come around and show you that right there. So you have all the controls for your RV at your fingertips, as well as an app on your phone that you can use. We have a nice oven down here. It's a Furrion oven. And then hidden underneath the inserts, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed because these are heavy, we have a triple propane burner and convection microwave. Residential fridge. I mean, look at the size of this fridge. You're not going to run out of food or want. Freezer drawer with double pull-out. Sorry, it's actually taped in there. Midship TV with soundbar and fireplace right across from the 4-seating recliner. Lots of storage throughout. As we look around, you'll notice that there's an abundance of storage. I mean, look at the size of these drawers. Overhead cabinets. You're not going to run out of storage space. Now, the 36D7 is a bath and a half unit. Bath and a halves are still super, super popular because of their flexibility. So there's our midship bath. As we come to the back, we have a tilting bed, king size, of course, on a slide out. And that just allows you, as we pan down, to have massive openness, space for getting up in the morning, getting changed. But then look at the bank of storage that we have. Now, there is a secret about this cabinet. We'll show you that in a minute. But this gives you an idea of the wardrobe. There's the cushion insert to convert the dinette into sleeping. It's just hidden away for the show. And when you look, you'll see things like proper cabinet hinges. Not the cheapy little hinges, nice heavy hinges. Big deep drawers with soft close. And then here we go, our stacking washer dryer, just like a big diesel is going to have. So you can take those long trips and have your clothes cleaned without having to look for a laundromat. Now in the back bath, very elegant here. I like the color choices this year. The white countertop with that light gray is just super, super elegant. The waterfall sinks, or faucets, I should say, is a really nice touch. That's new for 2025, I've been told. Lots of bright lighting. We've got a big window here, and then of course our fiberglass surrounded shower with the corner seat. Something that as you get older, or the ladies definitely enjoy that seat when it comes time for shaving their legs, as I've been told. Now, as we make our way back forward, you're going to notice for 2025, they've actually recessed in the lighting strips into the ceiling, and you can set brightness and dimming for the living area, your washroom, your bedroom, all independently. As I spin around, there's a drop-down bed if you have guests. Of course, if you want to keep it a secret, tell no one about it. They won't know it's up there. But a great open floor plan, and it has been their #1 seller for multiple years. If you like the video, please click the like button. Please hit the subscribe and the notification bell. You'll be notified of new videos as they're posted. Let us know your comments down below. I try to respond to all comments. And we'll see you back soon at the channel for more videos and great walkthroughs in the RVing industry. Take care, everyone.